If you want to know which tools will actually survive professional use, do not ask the sales representative at Home Depot. Ask a carpenter who has been working for 30 years. Ask a plumber who carries the same tools he bought 15 years ago. Ask a mechanic what brands he refuses to replace. These professionals understand something that marketing departments desperately hide from you. The tool industry has collapsed. Most brands you trust are manufacturing garbage overseas and slapping American names on the boxers. They charge premium prices for inferior products, but there is a small group of manufacturers who refuse to compromise. Today, I am revealing the only 4 tool brands worth buying. Everything else is junk designed to fail and force you into replacement cycles. The tool industry collapse. 20 years ago, tool manufacturing meant something. American companies employed skilled workers. Quality was non-negotiable. Tools lasted decades. Then corporate consolidation happened. Brands were purchased by holding companies, cost-cutting executives. Replaced craftsman manufacturing moved to China. Workers were laid off. Quality standards disappeared. Companies discovered that consumers do not understand tool quality until the tool fails. By then, they have already made the purchase. So manufacturers optimized for profit margins, not durability. They created tools designed to break after 2 to 3 years. Then consumers buy replacements. The cycle repeats. Professional tradesmen noticed this immediately. They stopped buying new tool brands. They kept using whatever they had purchased before the collapse. They inherited tools from their fathers. They maintained old equipment. They refused to participate in the planned obsolescence cycle. If you ask any tradesman what tools he uses, you will see the pattern. His toolbox contains brands from decades ago. Not because he is nostalgic, because those tools still function perfectly while everything manufactured in the last 10 years has failed. Brand number 1. Snap-on. Snap-on refused to move manufacturing overseas. Their facilities remain in the United States, Wisconsin, Ohio, Tennessee. American workers, American quality standards, American precision. Yes, Snap-on tools cost 10 times more than Chinese alternatives. A socket set costs $500. A Chinese equivalent costs $40. But here is the mathematics professionals understand. The Snap-on socket functions for 20 years of professional use. The Chinese socket strips after 200 uses. The professional using cheap tools spends $40 on initial purchase, then replaces it 6 months later. Over 10 years, that is $800 in replacement costs. The Snap-on purchase is $500 upfront, then 0 replacement costs for the next 15 years. The cheap tool costs more over the lifetime. Snap-on backs every product with a lifetime warranty. If the tool breaks, they replace it free. This is only possible because they manufacture with standards ensuring durability. Professional mechanics carry Snap-on because they cannot afford tool failure during critical work. One broken wrench on a job costs far more than the tool purchase price. It costs lost time. It costs safety risks. It costs reputation damage. Snap-on eliminates this risk through American manufacturing. Brand number 2. Klein Tools. Klein Tools manufactures electrical hand tools in Illinois. Screwdrivers, pliers, wire strippers. Electricians depend on these tools, working perfectly in live electrical environments. One failure could be fatal. Klein refused to outsource this responsibility. Their facility maintains the steel composition and manufacturing precision that built their reputation over 150 years. Klein tools cost 40 to 60% more than Chinese imports, but they never slip. They never break. They never fail at critical moments. Electricians pay the premium because they know the tool will deliver when their safety depends on it. Brand number 3. Vaughan Manufacturing. Vaughan manufactures hammers in Illinois using forged steel. Their facility produces 500,000 hammers annually. Every hammer is individually inspected. They refuse to use cheap cast metal that shatters under stress. Professional framers trust Vaughan because the tool delivers consistent performance across thousands of strikes. A hammer losing its head on a job site creates safety hazards and lost productivity. Vaughan hammers eliminate this risk through American manufacturing and quality control. The hammer you buy today will function exactly like the hammer you buy 20 years from now. Consistency is the standard, not the exception. Brand number 4. Channellock. Channellock manufactures adjustable pliers in Pennsylvania. 100 years in the same American location, continuous production. No outsourcing. The tongue and groove mechanism is copied worldwide, but the original American version is identifiably superior. Channellock pliers grip with precision. They do not slip. They do not strip. The pivot point, spring mechanism, and metal composition are manufactured with standards that cost cutting facilities abandoned decades ago. Professional plumbers carry Channellock because the tool simply works in ways that Asian imitations cannot replicate. You can feel the difference the moment you grip the pliers. The precision is undeniable. Everything else is junk. This is the uncomfortable truth that tool companies do not want you understanding. Craftsman moved manufacturing to China. Stanley moved manufacturing to China. DeWalt moved manufacturing to China. Milwaukee moved manufacturing overseas. Makita moved manufacturing overseas. Bosch moved manufacturing overseas. These brands still charge American prices, despite manufacturing and facilities optimizing for cost reduction. They purchase cheap steel. They eliminate precision manufacturing steps. They design products with planned obsolescence. They replace durability with warranty marketing. They tell you the warranty covers failures, but they know most consumers will not pursue warranty claims. It is simpler to just buy a replacement tool. The brands I mentioned, Snap-on, Klein, Vaughan, Channellock are the exceptions. They are the last American tool manufacturers who refuse to prioritize profit margins over quality. They still manufacture in America. They still employ American workers. They still maintain manufacturing standards that produce tools lasting decades instead of years. The economics are clear. Yes, Snap-on tools cost more. Yes, Klein tools cost more. Yes, Vaughan and Channellock cost more. But the lifetime cost is lower. A professional carpenter investing $3,000 in American tools over his career will use those tools for 40 years. Cost per year is $75. A tradesman buying cheap tools might spend $300 initially, but replaces them every 2 years. Over 40 years, he spends $6,000 on replacements. The American-made option costs half the total amount, despite higher upfront cost. Beyond economics, American-made tools support American workers and American factories. Every purchase strengthens domestic manufacturing. It supports local economies. It maintains the knowledge base that American industrial excellence represents. If you want to build a tool collection surviving professional use, buy these 4 brands. Research where you can purchase them. Specialty suppliers carry these brands. Online retailers stock them. Pay the premium price. Understand you are investing in tools lasting your entire career. 10 years from now, these tools will function perfectly. Your money will have supported American workers and American factories. Everything else will have broken and been replaced multiple times. If you made it this far, subscribe. I expose corporate betrayal of American manufacturing every week.